Do it your fucking self.
I guess I'm living life alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brianna. For those of you that are new here on this channel, I do lifestyle and vlogs. And today we will be talking about my top pet peeves. So without further ado, we'll get right into the video. So my first pet peeve is definitely chewing with your mouth open. It doesn't matter if you're chewing food or gum, especially gum. You sound like a fucking horse when you chew with your mouth open. That shit is so disgusting. And nobody needs to see what you have in your mouth, honestly. I don't care. You don't care. She doesn't care. Your mother doesn't care. Like, just don't chew with your mouth open. That shit is gross. Another pet peeve is customer service people. When not the people that work in customer service, more of the people who are just rude to people who work in customer service or the service industry just in general for no reason. Meaning that you demand a manager even though the person is telling you exactly what is going on, what it is, as if they don't work there. They're telling you what they know. They work there. They know. You know, you don't work there. You don't know what the fuck's going on. Like, shut the fuck up, Mary. The fuck, you know? Another pet peeve of mine is people who do not know how to drive. And what I mean by this, people who just don't know how to fucking drive. I live in Miami, as you guys know, and nobody here knows how to drive. We're rated in, I don't know exactly what number, but we're in the top 10 for the worst drivers in the fucking US, which is terrible. Nobody here knows how to drive or anything, and yeah. Bikers here, people on motorcycles, they be driving as if I can't take their fucking life, my nigga. Like, let me know. Another pet peeve of mine is coworkers that lie. I have a coworker and she, like, some stuff has gone down, not gonna lie. And I obviously told my manager because she was disrespecting me and I'm tired of it. I've been there for a year now and I'm tired of that shit. It's not gonna slide with me no more, so I went and told my manager. The manager went and confronted her about it and she told them I was lying. They know I'm not lying, but they weren't there to witness it, so it's kind of like he say, she say, but they know I'm not lying for a fact. But the fact that she's over there like, oh, she's lying. Bitch, the fuck? The fuck? Another pet peeve of mine would definitely be when you say that you're gonna do something and you don't do it, or you just take forever to do it, you know? That's a pet peeve of mine. For me, I'm not gonna sit around and say, okay, I'm gonna do this, you know, and not do any of it. I don't know, I just don't do that. I'll say, okay, I might, like, I'll try and get these things done today, you know. If I don't, I'll do it tomorrow. But I don't like it when people are like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do this and not do it. I understand it's whatever, but when it includes like plans with me or it includes me, I don't like that. I'm sorry, I don't. Another pet peeve of mine is leaving the kitchen dirty. Kitchen and bathroom dirty. I hate that shit. Oh my god, does that shit drive me crazy. When the kitchen is dirty or the bathroom is dirty, just in general, I just can't. And that's just me. That's just how I was raised. Like, I could deal with it for a few days, a few weeks or whatever, but after a while, like, it's kind of like, all right, like, let me do something about it. Because you know what they say, if you want something done, you better do it your fucking self. So that's what I'd be doing. Another pet peeve of mine, you take something from the kitchen, whether it's a drink or some snacks or whatever, and you leave a little bit, not even enough for the next person, you know, or the next serving. You might as well just take it all. The fuck? I don't understand why you do that. If you know why people do that, let me know, because I don't do that. I just take it. I also don't like it when people, instead of changing out the toilet paper, they leave an empty roll on the toilet paper stand. What the fuck is that? But yeah, those are my top few pet peeves. I could think of some more, make a part 2 if you guys like. But those are just what I thought of off the top of my mind, because those are things that really get to me on like a day-to-day or even a weekly thing, you know. You know how it be. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later, jitterbugs. Love you. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brianna. For those of you that are new here on this channel, I do lifestyle vlogs and etc. Today